like a part of me that only I can see. You're even with me when I'm all alone. The people stop and stare, they say that no one's there.
Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you one pedal driving in the Hyundai Kona. All you have to do is use your left paddle and not the brake pedal. It'll act as a heavy regen, which can bring you to a total stop. And then you can let go of the paddle and it'll hold you there until you press the gas to go again. So up here, our stop sign, I'll show you. Okay, we're approaching the stop sign. I'm gonna press the paddle. Notice the regen on the left of the display there increased to 3, decreased to 1, and now we're totally stopped. Never touch the brake. I'm gonna press the gas and here we go. Now this is the regen paddle that I'm talking about, the left hand full regen. If you look on the little icon on the paddle, it shows you 3 arrows of regen. So I can tap it up once and see how it increased my regen there. Press it another time and it increased my regen. This is just for when I let off the accelerator altogether. If I press the right paddle, that one right there, now I'm back to 1 regen. So what happens when I hold the left regen paddle? Here, I'll hold it. Now it shows full regen on the display and it brings the Kona to a complete stop. Let go of the paddle, it holds me, and I can just press the gas to go. So we're going to use the paddle to slow us to a stop up here at the stoplight. So I'm going to start pressing the steering wheel paddle now. And here we slow down. And we're stopped. So I'm going to release the paddle and it holds us here until we are clear. And I can press the gas to go. I've never pressed the brake at all for this trip. Okay, now we're clear. Here we go. So with this one pedal driving, you can really drive without ever pressing the brake. I always get ready to press the brake just in case, but it really has a lot of stopping power with that regen paddle. And that's how you use the steering wheel regen paddle as one pedal driving in the 2019 Kona Electric.